Samsung enthusiasts, brace yourselves for an exhilarating deep dive into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a smartphone that might just redefine what it means to be premium in 2025. With every leak, rumor, and confirmed detail, the anticipation is reaching fever pitch. This isn't just another Galaxy device, it's Samsung's bold statement to the tech world. Let's unravel every inch of what makes the S25 Ultra a potential game changer. Starting with the design, Samsung's decision to embrace a titanium frame over traditional aluminum elevates the durability and feel of the device. Corning's Gorilla Armor glass on both sides ensures that strength meets sophistication, making it a true standout. The titanium white-silver color option, rumored to combine a sleek silver frame with a pristine white back, has already captured imaginations. This color, along with titanium black, blue, and gray, signals Samsung's dedication to aesthetics that resonate with both professionals and everyday users. The display, a sprawling 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel, delivers visuals that promise to dazzle. With a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120x1440 and an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, the clarity and smoothness are unmatched. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling, the viewing experience will set a new benchmark. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3-in processor, the phone boasts unparalleled performance. The Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon MPU, and Adreno GPU ensure blazing fast speeds, advanced AI capabilities, and seamless multitasking. Storage options range from 256 GB to a hopping 1 TB, paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, catering to every need, from casual users to hardcore enthusiasts. Photography enthusiasts will find the S25 Ultra's camera system irresistible. The 200MP ISO CELLHP 5-main sensor with f/1.7 aperture and OIS guarantees stunning detail and vibrant colors, even challenging lighting. Complementing this is a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens offering 5 optical zoom. Together, they deliver versatility that few smartphones can rival. The ability to record in 8K at 30 or 4K at 120 ensures that video enthusiasts won't feel left out. Battery life, a cornerstone of any flagship, doesn't disappoint. With a robust 5,000 mAh capacity and support for 45 daily wired charging, the S25 Ultra promises longevity and rapid recharging. The device's software, One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, introduces features that blend convenience with innovation. With promised updates for 7 generations of OS and security, Samsung is doubling down on future-proofing. As exciting as the S25 Ultra is, the Galaxy S25 series doesn't stop there. The standard S25, often overshadowed by its Ultra sibling, is poised to make a statement of its own. Equipped with UFS 4.0 storage, 12 GB of RAM, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the vanilla model closes the gap on its larger counterpart. With features like MagSafe-style wireless charging and ultra-wide angle camera with autofocus for macro shots, Samsung is redefining the compact flagship experience. 2025 isn't just about smartphones for Samsung. The Galaxy XR headset, powered by AI-driven Android XR, marks the brand's foray into the mixed reality space. Featuring Gemini 8, the headset promises real-time assistance and intuitive gesture controls, challenging competitors like Apple's Vision Pro. Additionally, Samsung's magnetic accessories for the S25 series, including wallets and power banks, highlight its commitment to ecosystem innovation. What's equally fascinating is Samsung's strategic pricing. Despite the plethora of upgrades, reports suggest the S25 series will maintain pricing parity with the S24 lineup in many regions. If true, this move could solidify Samsung's position as a brand that delivers value without compromise. While the S25 Ultra stands tall, comparisons with the S24 Ultra reveal an evolution rather than a revolution. The titanium frame, advanced chipset, and camera upgrades of the S25 Ultra are impressive, but incremental improvements may not sway all users. For some, the S24 Ultra remains a compelling option, especially with AI-driven updates like One UI 7 bridging the gap. For foldable enthusiasts, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition adds another layer to the brand's 2025 portfolio. With its slimmer design, larger display, and enhanced portability, it's a tempting alternative to the Fold 6. However, the omission of S Pen support in the special edition might nudge productivity-focused users toward the Fold 6 instead. Ultimately, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a testament to Samsung's vision for the future. From its groundbreaking design and performance to its ecosystem innovations, the device encapsulates everything a flagship should be. As the January 22 launch date approaches, the question isn't just whether the S25 Ultra will meet expectations, but how far it will exceed them.